When most people think about emergency preparedness, they imagine expensive survival gear, high-tech gadgets, and massive food storage rooms. But experienced preppers know a different secret. Sometimes the most valuable supplies cost just $1 or $2. And surprisingly, many of them can be found at Dollar Tree. These aren't random impulse purchases. They're practical, affordable items that can solve real problems during power outages, natural disasters, supply shortages, and everyday emergencies. Let's start with one of the most overlooked prepper essentials. Number 14. Candles. Power outages can happen without warning. A few emergency candles can provide hours of light when flashlights run out of batteries. Many preppers keep dozens stored away because they're cheap, compact, and reliable. Number 13. Lighters. A fire starter is one of the most important survival tools. Whether you're lighting candles, starting a campfire, or using a backup cooking method, disposable lighters are incredibly useful. Smart preppers rarely buy just one. They buy several and store them in different locations. Number 12. Aluminum foil. At first glance, aluminum foil seems ordinary. But it has dozens of emergency uses. It can help with cooking, food preservation, makeshift repairs, reflecting heat, and even improvised signaling. A few extra rolls can become surprisingly valuable during a crisis. Number 11. Plastic storage containers. Organization becomes critical when supplies begin to accumulate. Dollar Tree containers help keep food, medicine, batteries, and emergency gear protected and easy to find. Many experienced preppers believe that organized supplies are almost as important as the supplies themselves. Number 10. Batteries. Few items disappear faster during emergencies than batteries. Flashlights, radios, clocks, and other essential devices all depend on them. Dollar Tree battery packs aren't always the highest capacity available. But they provide an inexpensive backup supply that many preppers quietly build over time. Number 9. Duct tape. If there were a survival hall of fame, duct tape would probably have its own exhibit. It can patch leaks, repair equipment, reinforce shelters, secure loose materials, and solve countless unexpected problems. The versatility alone makes it worth stocking. Number 8. Manual can openers. Imagine having plenty of canned food but no electricity. Without a manual can opener, those supplies could become difficult to access. That's why experienced preppers often keep multiple backups. They're small, inexpensive, and easy to store. Number 7. Zip ties. These simple tools can organize cables, secure equipment, repair broken items, and create temporary fixes in emergencies. They're lightweight, cheap, and useful far beyond their original purpose. Many preppers buy them in bulk whenever they find a good deal. Number 6. Cleaning supplies. Preparedness isn't only about food and water. Sanitation is equally important. Bleach, disinfecting wipes, gloves, and basic cleaning products help maintain a healthy environment during difficult situations. History has repeatedly shown that poor sanitation can create problems just as serious as supply shortages. Number 5. Emergency food basics. Dollar Tree often carries canned vegetables, soups, beans, pasta, rice, and shelf-stable foods. No, these aren't gourmet meals. But during an emergency, affordable calories matter. Many preppers slowly build food reserves one inexpensive purchase at a time. The strategy isn't to buy everything at once. It's to create a buffer that grows steadily over months. Number 4. Bottled water. Water is the foundation of every preparedness plan. A person can survive weeks without food. Without water, the timeline becomes dramatically shorter. That's why smart preppers rarely ignore affordable opportunities to expand their water storage. And while bottled water is only one part of a larger water strategy, it's often one of the easiest places to begin. Number 3. First aid supplies. Bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, medical tape. Small injuries can quickly become larger problems if basic treatment isn't available. Building a backup first aid kit doesn't have to be expensive. Dollar stores often provide a cost-effective way to fill important gaps. Number 2. Flashlights. Light provides safety, mobility, and peace of mind. A flashlight can turn a dangerous situation into a manageable one. Experienced preppers frequently keep extras in vehicles, bedrooms, kitchens, and emergency bags. Because when darkness arrives unexpectedly, having one flashlight is good. Having several is even better. And the number one Dollar Tree item that many smart preppers quietly stockpile might surprise you. Because unlike food, water, or batteries, this item becomes incredibly valuable not only during emergencies but also during everyday shortages, and its usefulness starts with something most people completely overlook. Personal hygiene. Number 1. Toilet paper. It may not be exciting. It may not look like survival gear. But experienced preppers understand how quickly basic household necessities can disappear. The shortages seen in recent years proved a simple lesson. Items people use every day often become the first things that vanish from store shelves. That's why many smart preppers quietly add a few extra rolls whenever they shop. Not because they expect disaster tomorrow, but because preparation is often about preventing inconvenience before it becomes a serious problem. And that's the real theme connecting every item on this list. Preparedness isn't about fear. It's about practicality. The most effective preppers aren't necessarily the ones spending thousands of dollars on specialized equipment. They're the ones consistently solving small problems before they become large ones. Take candles and flashlights. Neither seems remarkable until the lights go out. Suddenly, those inexpensive purchases become some of the most valuable items in the house. The same principle applies to batteries. Most people don't think about them until they need them. By then, stores may be crowded, supplies limited, or shelves completely empty. Preparedness works best when it's done in advance. The same goes for water storage. Waiting until a storm warning appears on television is often too late. Experienced preppers know that emergency supplies are most affordable and easiest to find before everyone else starts shopping. That's one reason Dollar Tree remains surprisingly popular among preparedness-minded shoppers. The low cost makes it easier to build supplies gradually. You don't need a huge budget. You don't need a dedicated bunker. And you don't need to transform your home into a warehouse. Small purchases made consistently can create a meaningful emergency reserve over time. That's a strategy almost anyone can follow. Another reason these items are valuable is versatility. Duct tape doesn't perform just one function. Neither does aluminum foil. Zip ties solve dozens of problems. Storage containers protect countless types of supplies. The more uses an item has, the more valuable it becomes during uncertain situations. Many veteran preppers actually prioritize versatility over specialization. A simple tool that can solve 10 problems is often more useful than an expensive tool that solves only one. That's an important lesson for beginners. New preppers sometimes assume preparedness requires buying complicated gear. But the reality is often much simpler. Reliable basics frequently outperform fancy gadgets. Food, water, light, sanitation, medical supplies, organization. These categories form the foundation of nearly every emergency plan. And interestingly, many of them can be strengthened with products that cost very little. Another advantage of budget preparedness is reduced financial pressure. When people believe they must spend large amounts of money, they often delay getting started. Months pass. Sometimes years. Meanwhile, emergencies don't wait for perfect timing. Starting small is almost always better than not starting at all. A few cans of food today are better than an empty pantry. A small first aid kit today is better than no medical supplies at all. A few gallons of stored water today are better than wishing you had prepared later. Progress matters more than perfection. That's why smart preppers often focus on consistency. Each shopping trip becomes an opportunity. One extra item. One additional backup. One small improvement. Over time, those decisions compound into a surprisingly capable emergency reserve. And perhaps that's the biggest secret hidden behind all 14 of these Dollar Tree items. None of them are impressive by themselves. A flashlight seems ordinary. A lighter seems ordinary. A roll of duct tape seems ordinary. But preparedness isn't built from dramatic purchases. It's built from ordinary items collected with extraordinary foresight. The next time you walk through Dollar Tree, look beyond the price tags. Look at the potential. Because the smartest preppers aren't always the people buying the most expensive gear. They're often the people quietly filling a cart with simple, practical supplies that most shoppers walk right past. And when unexpected challenges arrive, those small decisions can make a very big difference.